Update. Update is the very important step in the version control flow. Update command is used to update the working space with any changes from the repository. In simple words, it will synchronize the files in the working space with the latest copy from the repository. If the files are not matching, we will get the notification or conflicts we need to handle manually. There is no SVN won't handle these conflicts. It is good practice to update the local copy with the repository before starting your work. This command is used when multiple developers are working on the same project. Let us take one simple example. Why do we need SVN update? Programmer A and programmer B are working on the same project. The project is stored in the central repository. Programmer both check out the latest version from their repository and start working on their working space. Programmer B completes her work and commits her change to the repository called project 1. Now programmer A's work is out of date. Now programmer A want to update the latest copy which was modified by the programmer B want to update. Now this update command will update the latest copy to the programmer A. It will tell what has been changed, modified, added, deleted. SVN will try to merge the change. If it is unsuccessful, it will report as a conflict. Let us see a simple example using SVN update. It's my current folder, and now I have already created a repository called SVN repo. Let's see more information about SVN repo. SVN info. Then the path of the repository you have to specify. Okay, so if you type SVN info, you will get more information about the repository. My repository version is 5, last updated revision is 5, and you will get to know who is the author, last changed, when they changed, what is the file of the repository. Everything you know by using SVN info. Now, if you want to know what modification they did in each version, then you have to type SVN log. In log, you will get information about each revision. In revision 1, we created the readme.txt. In revision 2, I created a directory called programs. So you will be knowing what they did on each revision. Okay, now I check out. Okay, right now I have only repository. Now I want to check out the revision 2 of my repository. To explain update command, so what I'm doing is SVN checkout. I want to check out the revision 2, the path of my repository, and where I have to store SVN repo in the same directory, but here I am using revision 2 folder. You can give any name. Now I'm going to SVN repo underscore 2. Sorry, or 2. Now I see I have to fold two files, programs and readme.txt. Now we have files, programs and readme.txt in my revision 2 folder. Now what I'm trying to do is I want to add some line. Let's see what is there in the readme.txt. Okay, now I want to add some more line. Okay, good luck, and then that's it. Okay, I added some line, added a line, good luck, read into the file readme.txt. Now I want to commit svn commit. Now you have to tell you added good luck, added line in readme.txt. Now see what happens. Commit got failed. Why? Because readme.txt is out of date. Because we downloaded revision 2, but the latest revision of the repository is 5. So it is not up to date. So what you have to do is, in this scenario, you have to use svn update. To overcome this issue, you have to type svn update. That's it. Okay, what happened? You can see the file hack.txt got added. The syllabus uh, is also added. Syllabus is also a text file. It's got added, and then you can see here, see conflict in readme.txt. What is the conflict? Because in the previous word, okay, we'll see what is the conflict. Now I want to conflict discovered in the file readme.txt. Now I am asking, okay, show the difference. Lot of options are there. From that you can select any one. Postpone means P. DF means show the difference. E means edit file. M means merge. Okay, now I want to know the difference between the two files. So now press DF. Then you can see the difference between the two files. Okay, here in the previous line, it is like prepare well for exam, add all the very best. Now in this version I added good luck. Now what I have to do? Now I am telling merge the file, enter. Now okay, so now it's got add, okay, add your version, good luck got added in line number 3. Okay, conflicting. So we selected merge, so good luck got added to the file. Now use their version and then yours. So any one selection you can, any one option you can select. So I'm selecting 1 2 their version first and then yours 12. Now okay, after that you can, okay, merge of readme.txt is completed. Now what you have, okay, you have set of options now: postpone, show difference, edit, merge, mark resolved. Now we resolved the conflict. Now type R, because we resolved the conflict, so R. Now what happens? The text conflict is 0, and we resolved that conflict. Now no problem, we can commit svn commit dash m conflict solved, or we can tell that added new line in the file, in the file, enter. Okay, the committed revision 6. So to overcome those kind of problem, you can use svn update.